Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. So today I'm actually unboxing new microphones. So the previous ones that I unboxed is not good at all. So today I'm unboxing the Volkano X microphone. So here we can see it says up to 21 hours wireless transmission, obviously, and I'm excited. It says there's a carrying case included, so I'm really looking forward to that. So there we can see that I actually bought it from our local retailer Takeallot here in South Africa. So let's do that. Okay, so it was actually a struggle to open this box, so I figured it out. It's from this side. I must say it's quite nice packaging, to be honest. It says here it's the Prodigy 2, so that's very cool. Let's cut this. So let's take that out. There we go. So here we can see there's an instruction manual. I will figure this out. But I must admit it's quite decent packaging, guys. It looks nice. So there's that. And then here we have the whole setup. So we have a charging cable included. Very nice. Then look at this casing. This is very cool. Look at this. That's very cool. So then you can charge, I assume you charge this case. So let's put that there. And there's the microphones. So it goes in like this. And it's got like a magnetic. There we go. And I don't know how this goes in. Let's see. I don't actually know how this goes in. Oh, like that. There we go. Yeah. So guys, there's the new microphones. Oh, and it's actually charging already. You can see it's 72%. So this is very, very cool. So I'll definitely test it out and I will let you guys know. Thanks for watching. Cheers.